If you need any debugging help, you can use our in real life Rubber Ducky debugging tool.
I think there's a segfault in my for loop, but I'm not quite sure.
All right, let's waddle through this step by step.
All of us are computer science students and we have like zero hardware knowledge. So this was all our first time. So we use like C++ for the hardware, Python for the Discord bot, and we also use Node.js for our backend, which connects to a React front end. It's kind of a mess.
Man, lead code is so hard. How do I solve the two-sum problem? I know, I'll ask my rubber duck.
Hello there. I'm your friendly Rubber Ducky debugging assistant. What seems to be the problem?
I need your help with the lead code problem two-sum.
Quacktastic. Let's dive into this problem together.
Can you please create a to-do list on the steps to solve the problem?
Sure thing. Here's a simple step-by-step to-do list for tackling the two-sum problem 1. Understand the problem. You're looking to find two numbers in an array that add up to a specific target. Start with a brute force solution by checking every pair of numbers. If you need anything else, just give me a quack. Happy coding.